Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can export PDF file from your Revit file. So there are some items that need to be checked, and it's very important to just change them before exporting the file. The first thing that I want you all pay attention is here. For the visual style, always choose hidden files, but before that, you see there is a floor here that if I change the visual style to hidden line, it's gone, but still it's there. When you export the PDF file, you will see that highlighted area. So my recommendation is always before exporting the file, try to just hide the floor. So I selected hiding view elements and it's now gone. So I change the visual style to hidden line and this file is ready for exporting. How we are going to export that? I choose File, Print, and here when the print pop up, we are going to check something. So from the printer name, choose your PDF creator. Maybe in your conversion you have different printers, but choose whatever makes a PDF. So this one I have PDF creator. I select that one, and here by clicking on setup you can check that what is the size of the file, and I recommend because we are looking to have high resolution images, so I recommend maybe at least we choose A3 and then leave the rest like what you see here. Okay, here we can check the window, the print range of the file, but the current window that is okay. And here is where you save the file. So for now I just click on OK, and then it will show me the location of the file that is going to be saved. From here, save as. Okay, here say okay, practice 1, the PDF file, and save. So this is the first step of making a presentation sheet. Then we are going to open this file in Photoshop and open it to have our presentation board ready. So if you see here, you can just say that the resolution of the PDF file is acceptable, and then we are going to work on it in Photoshop. So continue using the next video to see how we are going to just put these PDF files and images all together in the sheet, and how we are going to present it. Thank you so much.